I actually have a story to tell you, but my mom made breakfast and she's like, you know, saying that we need to get down there really quickly. So let's go see what she made for breakfast and then I'll come back and tell you a story. Oh my gosh. Coke? That's my favorite part. This is so cute. Thanks, Mama. And grapes. Gosh. You need a better kitchen for this setup. I have 3 minutes left on this SD card, so let's make it a short story time. So I don't know if you remember that I told you that DCT gave me an allergic reaction on my lips. So I wanted to test it out again just to make sure it was the DCT. So I've been using it for the past 2-3 days, and this morning I woke up. Yesterday already my lips were feeling kind of tingly. This morning I woke up and my bottom lip was swollen. Now, you can't see the reaction, but it almost feels like eczema on your lips. And then when you look closely, you have like rash on your lips. So that's what happened. I woke up, so my lip was huge. I was not gonna show that ever. So I took some of my allergy medication and I drank that, and my lip went back to normal. Not flattering at all. So yeah, that sucks. I can't use DCT anymore. I wonder what changed in the past year, because I haven't bought DCT for a good year and a half, and before that it was amazing. So I don't know what happened, but that's 70 bucks in my life that I'll never get back. Yeah, I think I'll try maybe like Burt's Bees or something. There's quite a few options. Maybe chapstick. Maybe not this expensive stuff. Maybe just good quality, affordable stuff. Hi everyone. So we're in my bathroom right now. I have my makeup brushes right there. But I thought I'd show you how I wash my brushes. You've seen everyone do it. It's exactly the same. Let me show you what I use actually. Okay, so I'm gonna use this little brush cleaning mat. I got it from Discount. But you can make your own. Let me show you the one I made. This is the one I made. Oh, not that. This is the one I made a while ago. Well, let's show you here. This was before I bought that one. And you just need a hot glue gun, and you glue different shapes. And this one's kind of more textured than this one, so I might just use both. I prefer to use shower gel. I feel like that works really well, but I don't have any, so we're gonna use some shampoo. That should be fine. Yes, we have some Pantene shampoo. Speaking of Pantene shampoo, I should probably wash my hair. Since this is already out, I might just do that too. Good afternoon, everyone. It's 20 to 2. I woke up pretty late today. But I did go to bed at 3 a.m. So on the plus side, I did edit a video and I did complete one of my assignments. So I only have one left and I have about 7 days to finish it. So I'm gonna start today. But today's my day to cook. I think I'm gonna make burgers. Also, I need to clean my room. I need to dust my room and dust my sister's room because she asked. I haven't had breakfast, but I did have chips, which was really healthy, I guess. What else? Oh, I did my hair. Can you tell? You can actually see the pot now. Can you see? Also, update on my lips. Recovery for them after the reaction, the allergic reaction, takes about a week. So I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but there's like little rash all over my lips, and then the top lip gets all the little rashes, and then the bottom lips they feel like they have eczema, so the sides of the lips here are extremely dry. But yeah, that's the update on that. I won't be using DCT anymore, which sucks. But yeah, what are we gonna do today? We'll go down to eat eventually. What else? We're gonna have to go cook eventually, and then I'm gonna do my assignment. I wanted to do my hair. I already did that. Go me. What else did I want to do? Oh, I need to clean my room. We're gonna do that. I think that's about it for now. Yeah, I edited a video last night as well. That's ready for tomorrow. It is another vlog though. I wanted to do something different and then a vlog, but I have to get through this content before the lockdown's over. So yeah, that's on the agenda for today. Yeah, I'll bring you along. Let's seize the day. Well, what's left of it. Okay guys, first thing on the list is to clean the room, so let's do that. Okay, so update, we are halfway, actually we're more than halfway. I think we're 90% done cleaning. I just need to wipe down my mirrors and stuff, so I think I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna go downstairs and start cooking because it is 3:25. Hold up, because it is 3:25, so I think cooking now would be great and get that out of the way, and then I can come back and focus on my assignment. I am exporting a video that's gonna go up tomorrow, and then I'll probably start editing a new one that's gonna go up on Monday, maybe Sunday. I don't know. Tomorrow is Easter though, so yeah, there's that. But yeah, let me just do everything that I have to do, and then we'll go downstairs. Okay, so it's just past 4. We're gonna go downstairs and have our first meal of the day. Not something I'm proud of, but we're gonna eat and then we're gonna start cooking because it's already that time. So let's do that. Okay, so I just ate. I just want to see if this camera will pick it up. I put Vicks on, but I don't know if you can see the little rash all over my lips. I think this camera may pick it up a lot better. And the bottom is just dry all around the lip. So yeah, we're getting through that. Burger update. They're almost ready. These take the longest to cook because they need to be thoroughly cooked. So yeah, these take the longest, but let me show you the burgers. This is my sister's plate. She just wanted cheese and the lettuce and then some onions. This is my mom's plate. She has cheese, lettuce, chakalaka on one of them, and then topped with some garlic on both of them. And then I have both of them with cheese, lettuce, chakalaka, and garlic on top. So I have a bit of cheese left. And this is the last thing to go on the plate. So because this is hot, I think I'm gonna put some cheese down first, then put this on top, and then that'll help that cheese melt. Let's do that. So we're gonna put some cheese down. So yeah, we're gonna put onions on top of that, and then we're done. And this is the finished product with the onions on top. That's how it looks all done up. Just gonna place that on top. And there you go. Time for dinner.